Hi there. It can be extremely frustrating as a new YouTuber to wake up with no change in the number of subscribers. You hitting even the first 100 subscribers is an uphill task. That's why I'm making this video to share with you 5 strategies you could look to exploit for you to be able to amass your first 1,000 subscribers much faster. And by the way, with these strategies, you could even amass your first 1,000 subscribers in a week or even slightly above a week. Having said that, you're much welcome to my channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. The very first strategy you can look to utilize is the YouTube Shorts strategy. What do I mean? YouTube Shorts is a format on the YouTube platform whereby creators out here can create short vertical videos and upload on YouTube, tag them appropriately, and then YouTube, through the algorithm they're testing, they're going to be able to section your video to specific sections called shorts. And by the way, shorts are pushed much more by YouTube out there. So through this, it's going to allow you two things. First of all, it's going to allow you to reach the market much faster because you're going to get quote unquote some free promo from YouTube. And secondly, it's going to assist you churn or pump more and more on your content. And as a new creator out there, you want to ensure you have a portfolio which at least YouTube is going to understand what your channel is all about, so that it can be able to push you out there to more and more people. So through shorts, you can be able to penetrate the market. In essence, get people out there to like your videos and in the process, subscribe to your channel. So this is the very first strategy you can look to exploit, the YouTube Shorts strategy, which is going to allow you to create content much faster compared to the competition and also put your name out there much faster. And then the second strategy you can look to utilize is actually using all the in-house tools on YouTube when uploading your videos, specifically ensuring you tag your videos appropriately, ensuring you create appropriate playlists, and also ensuring you use the cards appropriately. Why is this important? Rarely does someone subscribe to a channel by them watching the first video. So in case you can find a way of retaining people on the channel through these different methods, whether using cards at the very tail end of the video or even having given videos of the same kind or talking about the same topic being in the same playlist, once someone has a liking of a given video of viewers, they're most likely going to continue watching your portfolio through the playlists, and hopefully they're going to subscribe to your channel, because rarely do people out here subscribe to a channel by just watching a single video. In case you use these tools appropriately, you're going to be enhancing your chances of at least gaining more and more subscribers. And by the way, that already tells you something. You also need to be at the very back end pumping more and more content for you to be able to gain stage your channel appropriately. And then the third strategy you can look to utilize is what I call sneak commenting. Yes, I said sneak commenting. In essence, it is you trying to jump on a bandwagon of a big YouTuber in the same niche as you and hopefully make them make a positive reaction towards you, so that at least people in the same niche can be able to know or see that reaction and hopefully maybe subscribe to your channel, maybe watch your videos and so forth. How do you go about it? Simply, you need to understand and also have a very keen eye with regards to when your favorite YouTuber in your particular niche uploads their video. Once you have that, you can time appropriately, watch their videos on time, and be among the first to comment, hoping that your favorite YouTuber is gonna maybe pin your comment atop the other comments. In case that happens, given an authority in a respective niche, most likely people who are liking that kind of content are gonna try to see who is this, why is their comment pinned, or even why is your mutually favorite YouTuber engaging you in the first place. And in case you're making the same kind of content, hopefully there's gonna be domino effect, whereby now a few of the subscribers from this huge YouTuber are gonna overflow to your YouTube channel, which is small. But also with that, you need to have content in your channel in the first place, and also very high quality content. This is a sneaky way of doing it, but ultimately it also works if you do it appropriately. Mind you, you need to be very keen. On YouTube, it is illegal for you to be spamming other YouTubers out there with links to your videos with weird kind of things. So even with this sneak commenting, ensure you put a genuine comment. Don't go there pasting links for your videos, because YouTube is going to punish you instantly. You need to be smart on how you go about it, but also be genuine, because it's through being genuine that this other major YouTuber is going to see this is actually a person who follows me, and also they are very keen with regards to what I'm posting. Having said that, the fourth thing you can look to do different from other YouTubers out here to amass the first 1,000 subscribers much and much faster is actually bump up or enhance your presence in other social media platforms. Yes, of course, YouTube is a social media platform, but we have other social media platforms out there which you can ride on to get people to come to your YouTube channel. I'm talking about, for example, Twitter. I'm talking about, for example, Instagram, TikTok, name it, right? You can ride that wave by being very active there, by ensuring you're building a good audience there too. And in the process, hopefully, if everything aligns, you're gonna most likely be able to at least see how to divert traffic to your YouTube channel. And hopefully, in case your content is good, you're gonna also be able to command a subscription because they're gonna like your content. How do you go about it? Of course, at the base of it is ensuring you're active on these social media platforms. And secondly, have a keen ear, have a keen eye to details, so that you also catch waves with regards to what is maybe trending out there, what is the news in the social media platforms. Engage with such hot topics there, and hopefully people are going to notice your handle. People are going to notice, for example, your channel. People are going to notice maybe even your account, and in the process check you out, or even check what you're saying, and maybe divert to a YouTube channel. This kind of this actually is kind of far-fetched, but also it works in case you're consistent and you have a very strong presence in other social media platforms. And then the fifth and the last strategy, which most of you might have thought about but maybe haven't implemented, is actually jumping on trends. Yes, trendjacking is also quite a good thing, more so for a small YouTuber. But the caveat is that I'd only advise you to trendjack in something relevant to your niche, or maybe something relevant to what you want to be creating for the long term. Because through trendjacking, you're going to be able to amass or enter the very volatile traffic lanes. And in this, you're going to be able to get people, at least even if a few of them, to your channel. And the most significant thing is to ensure, as you trendjacking, offer quality, so that when people come to your channel, they're going to like it, they're going to like what you're doing, and they're going to send a positive signal to YouTube by either giving you a thumbs up or even watching your video for a longer time, hence a very high retention rate. If you can be able to do that, most likely you will be able to make trends work for you out there. And of course, the base of it is just checking what is trending out there on the social media platforms, what's trending on YouTube, and jumping on it right away. Second, you can also check, for example, who is the major personality in your niche, who's trending, who has major news out there, and maybe make content around them. Through doing so, you're going to still be able to jump on a trend, but also in a more intelligent way. So these are the 5 strategies you can look to exploit for you to be able to amass your first 1,000 subscribers much faster and be ahead of the competition out there. What do you think about this video? Share with me your thoughts down below in the comment section. I hope you've learned something from this video, because I'm out here bringing you awesome videos about digital matters, YouTube, making money online, and so forth. So you'll remember to subscribe and also drop a like on this video. Cheers.